Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no.
What is up, guys, and welcome back to another one of Yonkit's vlogs. It's your boy Yonkit, and right now, guys, we are gonna be recharging my brother's AC. We are heading out to a meet right now, guys. I'm gonna be taking the Mamalon. Oh shit, it's over there. I'm gonna be taking the Mamalon because my truck is not ready yet. We have my brother taking his truck right now. Throwing out the trash is hot as fuck. It's super hot still, guys. Pero no hay pedo, pues. So let's get it. If we gotta turn on the truck first.
I know, I'm just putting it on.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Chingon.
It's not open, so you have to turn it on.
You shook it already?
No. Yeah, a little bit.
Spraying this shit with some nitrous. Okay, guys, so we just left the house. We are gonna be meeting my brother at the car wash. Right now, I am gonna pull up to my boy Luis's house. He's the one with the red Corvette, guys. So we are gonna pull up to the meet together. I think my boy Ricardo's gonna pull up, and my other boy Israel is gonna pull up too, guys. They're gonna pull up, guys. Let's see how it goes, guys. We haven't been to a meet in a while, and this one is not a truck meet. This one is a car meet, so something a little bit different. So let's get it. All right, guys, so we just got to my boy Luis's house right here. He's decked out in the Yonkit gear. Que rollo. You guys ready for the meet?
Ready, bro, you ready?
Alright, man. With the Yonkits, yeah, solid. Shit, it's hot as fuck, guys, so.
That's why I came in shorts.
No. Neta, it's still over 100 degrees, guys. The sun's already going down. It's hot as fuck, but. I know, bro. We're gonna go meet up Ricardo and another homeboy, my brother, at the car wash. I'm gonna wash the Mustang real quick. Simon. So we're gonna meet him there. Let's get it. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Okay, guys, so I did just finish washing the car. We're now, oh, motherfucker. It's just so clean, that ceramic coat. Not even the water was stupid. Just kidding.
Hit on the headlight, we see prende, güey.
For real, though. Let's try to get that shit on. You got a rag, Jonathan? Jonathan! You got a rag? Yeah. My boy said he got the forged, or como forged or forged? Forged carbon.
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 Hey, let me know if you need any wrap them.
That carbon fiber, guys.
That DIY shit.
Shit looks good for a DIY.
with a fiber carbon.
Can't even tell from my house. Actually, it's cool. This bed shitting, boy. This is low-key the best car wash to come see cars. No cap. We got that one. We got that one. We got that one. And we got the Tesla. Ustedes no. Are you guys excited for the meets? What? $2 tacos, it said. Well guys, bad news. We got to the meet and there's a cop blocking the parking lot. As you can see, there's a fucking tow truck right there. I'm pretty sure the cop called it. So there is a taco stand here. They are going to be selling tacos. So maybe if we buy something, they won't kick us out. Let's see how this goes. There's some cars showing up, so we're just going to have to eat. You hungry?
A little bit.
Hell yeah.
You're always hungry.
Don't expose me. Damn.
Damn.
That's a line.
And so the cops over there, guys, blocking off the fucking thing. We got these two little cars right here. And we got the boys showing out tonight. So the meet was about an hour ago, so we're probably late because there's no more cars here, guys. I'm pretty sure that cop kicked everybody out, but we'll see if people pull up anyway, so fuck it. No life or no life, but damn, there's two. Those are sick, low-key. Hey, every time I see those cars, I just picture the hamsters inside. Going, having those shits, those little square cars. Pero vamos a ver, vamos a ver. What do you mean? I only got 3. It's cause I ate right now, but I wanna eat cause first this shit looks busted. Well guys, this meat was pretty dead. We are gonna chill for a bit longer before we head home. So I'm gonna have to pick up the camera another day. So we'll leave it right here for now. What's up guys, it is now the next day and we are going to be heading to another meet today, guys. Pero ahora va a ser una truck meet. Yesterday's meet, guys, did not go as planned because there was a cop there and there was not that many cars. I thought it was going to be bigger, pero well, it was a bus, but we ended up having some pretty good tacos. So right now we're going to take out my brother's truck and we're going to take out the Mamalona. We're going to meet up our boy Ricardo. I don't know who else is going, guys, but we're going to go to a new meet. It's like, this one's pretty close. It's like maybe like 10 minutes away. So we'll catch you guys there. Let's get it. Sheesh. We're in the Project Torque.
Let me hide my comrade.
Your basura? Shit. That was sick. That was sick. We gotta move all the cars so we can get out. Dile, nice truck, Johnny. Sheesh. Sheesh. Hi. What's up, baby? You like riding around in the work truck?
It's my favorite.
It is your favorite, guys. Well, my brother and my homie are leaving, so let's get it. I know it's a little bit dark out here, so please excuse that. But the meet is gonna be popping. It's already packed. So let's see who else comes. Let's see how many more people show up. Let's get it. So the meet is still going on, but uno que trabaja bien temprano. Ahora empezar las 3:30, guys. It is now 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna head home for the day. I'm super slumped. Sheesh. The meet was popping though, guys. We got some good footage. We saw a lot of trucks today. But with all that being said, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. This was your boy Uncle Vlogs.
Sweet go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep.